Being an e-commerce business owners, everyone wants to expand their product listings to other marketplaces. Like if you're selling on Amazon, you might think to expand your product listing to other marketplaces like Shopify, Etsy, Walmart or eBay. Just like this, if you're selling on Amazon USA, then you might think to expand your product listing to other marketplaces like Amazon Canada or Amazon Mexico. Just like that, if you're selling on Amazon UK, then you might think to expand your listing to Amazon Germany, Italy, France or Spain. So while living in one country, it's pretty much hard for you to sell your product to other countries as well. So to make this task easy for you, Amazon has its own tool called BIL, that stands for Build International Listings. So with the help of this tool, you can just start selling your one product that you're currently selling in one market or your country, so you can expand that product listing to other marketplaces as well. So for example, if you're selling in USA and you want to turn on that listing or you want to replicate that listing to Amazon Canada as well, so Canadian people can also purchase from your listing. So you can do this with the help of BIL tool. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the information step by step that how you can turn on your current listing with the help of BIL tool to other countries like Canada or Mexico or even in Europe, and how you can send the inventory from your supply warehouse directly to that particular country warehouse, and how you can just manage pricing and FBA fee and all that. So all the information in this video you will get step by step. So keep on watching till the end. And I'll also share with you all the benefits of doing this, because if you are having a listing in USA and that listing is having 500 or 1000 reviews, so when you turn on that same listing to Amazon Canada or Amazon Europe, all those reviews will be reflected on the other marketplace as well. So that will help you to make your listing more credible in other countries as well. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my Amazon Seller Central. This is one of my new account and I want to list my product in this account, and I want to turn on all those listings into other marketplace as well. So that's why I'm enrolling this account into BIL in front of you so you can also learn. So for that, we have to go on inventory and we have to click on sell globally. You can see that right now this account is in USA, so right now I can only sell in USA. But if I turn on the sell globally option from the BIL, then I will be able to sell on other marketplace as well. So you can see that this is a unified account, so I can sell only in America like US, Canada and Mexico. But if I want to sell in European country like Germany, France, Italy and UK, so after enrolling in BIL, I can do that as well. But for that, I have to send my inventory to the European warehouse, and then I have to set my pricing as well, because in Europe we can see that the currency is pounds or euros, and in USA the currency is in dollars. So we have to do that. So right now we can see that we are currently eligible to sell in US, Canada and Mexico. So to connect your account with the BIL, you have to go on Build International Listing and you have to click here. And from there, bottom right corner, you can click on Get Started. But before clicking on Get Started, you can just read this information here, so you will be able to know that after connecting, what benefits you will get. So if you are ready to sell globally, then click on Get Started. So after clicking on Get Started, you are on step number 1, which is Build International Listing. So to do so, you have to set one marketplace as a source marketplace and other marketplace as a secondary marketplace. So for example, you are living in USA and you are having some listings currently running in USA. So you have to set Amazon USA like Amazon.com as your source marketplace, and you have to keep other marketplace as secondary. But if you are living in Canada and currently selling in Amazon Canada and you want to expand your Canadian listing to Amazon.com, then you have to keep Amazon.ca as your source marketplace. So the same will goes for Amazon Europe. If you are selling in UK, then UK will be source. If you are selling in Germany, then Germany will be source. So right now in our case, Amazon.com is a source marketplace, and all the other target marketplace are Amazon.Canada and Amazon.Mexico. And after selecting this, I have to click on Save and Continue. But before clicking on that, we have to see this opportunity to expand. So you can see that you can just expand your Amazon account to Singapore, India, Saudi Arabia and whole Europe. So if you're willing to sell on these marketplaces as well, so you can just keep on turning or keep on adding target marketplace in your BIL listing. So right now I don't want that, so I can just click on save and continue. So as you can see here, after clicking on save and continue, I am on my second stage, which is offer type. So you can see that the region is America and the target marketplace are Canada and Mexico. So you can see that you can change the offers you want to replicate. So it is telling me that after turning on the listing, I can still change the price. Like if you are selling for $25 in Amazon USA, so you can just change the price in Canada as well. So I have to click on save and continue. And then I am on my third step, which is pricing rule. This step is because every country has different currency, like Canadian dollar is different from American dollar, and same goes for euro. In UK we are having the GBP, pounds, and in Germany we are having euros. So the currency conversion rate will affect a lot. So in that way you can see that here 1 USD is equal to 1.2 Canadian dollar. So in this third stage, you can just either ask Amazon to automatically convert your USA price as the currency conversion rate and start showing the new price in Canadian dollars. So for that, you can keep that same as the source marketplace. But if you want to manually convert that price, or you want to sell expensive product, like you are selling the product cheaply in America and you want to sell expensively in Canada, so you can just select any other option here, like fixed amount or percentage above the source marketplace. So in that way, you will be able to edit your listing later. So right now, I just want Amazon to take care of this and to just change my price automatically as a currency conversion rate. So I have to keep these fields as it is. So you can see that the USD is equal to 1.2 Canadian dollars and 1 USD equal to 19.8 Mexican dollars, or what Mexican currency is. So at this third stage, if I want to change something, I can, otherwise I can just click on save and continue. So as you can see that I have completed all my 3 steps, and right now I'm on my last step, and last step is showing me all the options that I've selected in 1, 2, 3 steps. You can see that the main market is America and the secondary markets are Canada and Mexico, and all these offers are here as per the currency conversion rate. So if I'm okay with all these stuff, then I can just click save and continue, and I can just complete my 4th step. And then after some times, when Amazon will enable my account to start selling on other countries with the help of this BIL tool, then I will be able to replicate my current listing from the source marketplace to the target marketplace. So let's click on save and continue. And before proceeding, it is saying me that the process and creation may take up to 4 hours, and all these changes may happen after 4 hours. So we have to click agree and create offers and wait for 4 hours. So as you can see here, I have just completed my 4 steps and fill in all the information. And now as Amazon say that I have to wait for 4 hours, and after 4 hours, Amazon will enable my BIL feature, and then I will be able to expand my listing to other marketplaces as well. And from here, after 4 hours, you will be able to see that this bar will be loaded, and then from here, bottom right corner, manage connection. When you click on manage connection, you will be able to see your source marketplace and target marketplace and all the information, like what listings are in your current marketplace and what listings are in your target marketplace. So you can just change the pricing of those products on other marketplace as well, and you can just enjoy selling your product in multiple countries. So if you like my content, then make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and make sure to subscribe my channel, because I always make all the useful videos that will help you to increase your e-commerce business revenue and sales. And if you have any question about BIL or any other question regarding any e-commerce business like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, so you can just also reach out to me and you can ask question from me in the comment box below. Or if you want to talk to me one-on-one, you can just book a free 15-minute session with me from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.